Do you want viewers to see where you tap during screen recordings? You can enable show taps and touches on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This feature displays visual touch indicators whenever you tap the screen, making tutorials and demonstration easier to follow. Let me show you how. First, open Settings, scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Tap Screenshot and Screen Recording. Scroll down the screen. Under the screen recording section, find show taps and touches and then turn it on. Now, whenever you record your screen, your taps and gesture will appear visually on the recording. This is especially useful for tutorials, app demonstration, gaming guide, and teaching viewer exactly where to tap. If you prefer a cleaner recording without visible touch indicator, you can simply turn this option off. Important note, this option is also available each time you start a screen recording from the quick settings panel. However, the setting inside advanced feature becomes the default option used for future recording. And that's how you show taps and touches during screen recording on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.